Welcome to the superb Smoky Mountain Getaway, atop one of the many foothills peaks near the Smokies at 4539 Misty View Drive in the Preserve Resort near Wears Valley, Tennessee. 12 bedrooms and 12 and a half baths on over 5,800 square feet make Amazing View Manor a most excellent investment. You can accommodate up to 54 guests for a potential excellent return. Take a closer look. You'll be totally impressed with the open floor plan. It's great for entertaining. The great room offers a stunning view through this glass wall as you sit by the stone fireplace and a large high-def TV. It's equipped for high occupancy with not one but 2 large dining tables, and the island kitchen is equally prepped for many guests with 2 refrigerators, 2 electric ranges, even 2 dishwashers. Of course, every bedroom was designed for comfort and privacy for every member of your group, with some great customization built in. Some beds are constructed of hand-hewn logs. From very cozy bedrooms to the larger master-size rooms, there's definitely one that will fit the need of every guest. Keep in mind that every bedroom offers its own private bath. Now we go downstairs. In addition to your bedrooms, this floor is your entertainment center. An ultra-wide high-def TV is surrounded by theater-style seating. A convenient laundry is nearby with full-size washer and dryer to cover your largest group. Outside, yes, not one, but 2 family-sized hot tubs to enjoy while taking in a priceless Smoky Mountain view from the expansive deck. And we've extended the entertainment upstairs as you can enjoy leisure time in front of the high-def, some pool, and 2 action-packed video games, not to mention your additional bedrooms, including this great bunk room that's perfect for the kids. Amazing View Manor is one of 2 Smoky Mountain getaways at The Preserve, featuring amenities like a pool, sauna, weight room, even a wedding chapel on site. Schedule your private tour at 4539 Misty View Drive near Wears Valley, Tennessee today. Call Bryan Kendrick of Remax Preferred Properties direct at 865-654-2994.